Welcome to Evoto Video. In this video, we'll walk through the full Evoto video workflow, from project creation to final export. First, we open Evoto Video and import the footage into a new project. Once the media is loaded, the clip appears on the timeline, where we can scrub through the footage and find the shot we want to edit. This is the main editing interface of Evoto Video. In the center, you can see the preview section, where the current frame is displayed for real-time review. At the bottom, there is the video timeline along with the basic editing tools, including AI split scenes, split, undo, redo, next segment, and previous segment, making it easy to navigate through the footage and manage the editing process. Tools on the right side of the timeline also support zooming in and out of the timeline, or quickly fitting the current timeline view. You can click the play button on the timeline or press the spacebar to preview the video in the preview section. You can quickly zoom in or out of the footage, and click Fit to match the preview window. At the top center, you can click to view information related to the current video. You can create a new video project whenever needed. On the right side, the Presets panel lets you browse preset options, including 6 official recommended presets and any custom presets you have saved. We move to AI color adjustments and open color match. This is where we establish the overall visual style of the footage. We can browse built-in looks, explore style references, and quickly apply a more consistent color direction. You can also upload your own reference image to quickly match and harmonize the color style of the video. We open Portrait Retouching. This section gives us access to the main portrait enhancement tools and helps us prepare for detailed adjustments. Evoto Video can automatically detect the people in the video and apply effects according to different age and gender characteristics. Here, we can adjust blemish removal, skin retouching, facial reshape, teeth, eyes, makeup, and full body reshape settings. The goal is to improve the portrait while keeping the result clean and natural. When the settings are ready, we click Apply Effects. Evoto starts processing the clip and renders the selected adjustments. Once processing is complete, we go back to the timeline and review the updated footage. You can save the current effect settings as a preset, allowing the parameters to be stored in the My Presets panel for quick use later. When editing is finished, we open Export Settings. In regular export, we can edit the file name, choose the export location and video format, and review the resolution, frame rate, encoding settings, and bitrate. These settings define the quality of the final output. You can also see the estimated number of credits that will be deducted in the export settings by hovering over the information icon. You can view the credits charging rules, and you can also check your remaining credits balance, or we switch to segment export. This option allows us to export only selected clips instead of the full timeline. The rest of the export settings are the same as those in regular export. After confirming the export settings, we start the export. Evoto shows the progress, and when the render is complete, the final file is ready in the output folder. In the upper left corner, you can open Export List to review past export records. By clicking the question mark icon next to it, you can quickly send product feedback to our team. In the Personal Center, you can view the current account, check your credits balance and billing rules, access About Us for the current version information and updates, or check for updates directly from the Account Center. You can also sign out of the current account. Clicking Buy Now will open the official Evoto Video pricing page, where you can view the latest credits, purchase information, and charging rules. Evoto Video makes the workflow faster and more organized. From import to retouching, color adjustment, and final delivery. Now import your new project and start editing with Evoto Video.